How to disable photo tagging setting on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can disable photo tagging setting on Twitter. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First of all, simply make sure you have downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Twitter app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. If you want to disable yourself from being tagged in other tweets and so on, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left hand side of the screen, and over here expand the menu which is called settings and support at the bottom. Once you expand this menu, over here again you'll find another option that says settings and privacy. So just go ahead and select settings and privacy. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a list of these options. Just go to the one that says privacy and safety. Once you go to privacy and safety, at the very top you have another option that says audience and tagging. So simply tap on it, and right over here you can find the option called photo tagging, and you can currently see it said anyone can tag you. So if you want to disable photo tagging on Twitter, just tap on it, and then you have two options more that says only people you follow can tag you, or you can simply completely turn it off. To disable it, you can just turn it off, and no one else, even people you follow or don't follow, will not be able to tag you on Twitter. This is simply the way on how you can disable the photo tagging setting on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.